Greetings students. In this video I'm going to give you an overview of your course general settings. So your course settings, you have the privilege to make some changes there. So I want to demonstrate how you can do so. Alright, so I'm here logged in as a typical teacher and I am enrolled in two courses. I will go into this one which is called here just a course template. I have this for demonstration purposes. So as you can see, this course is modeling the weekly format, and most of the I think all of the courses that I would have created for you, those that you have requested, they are in the topic format. But you never know, some of you might prefer to have the weekly format, so you can make that change yourself. So that's, I want to take you into what is called the course general settings. So when you are in the course, you scroll down to the administration block here, and you will see you have this link which says edit settings. So you click on it and it will take you to your course settings. So you see here you can actually change the name of the course. This would be the course full name. If you would like to make some change there, I am not making any, but you can just click in the box and adjust your course full name. The short name as well you can change. The category, you do not have the privilege to select other categories at present. This course is located in the e-learning category. Whether you can show or hide the course, yes, you can. You can just select here. If you do not want to show your course to whoever is enrolled in it, you can change that to hide. And also the course start date. If you're not ready yet to deliver the course, you can adjust that as well. Now there's a default course ID at present, which we do not need. You can insert a course summary here. So go right ahead, give a brief overview of your course if you have not done that. So whenever someone sees your course in the system, they would also see that brief summary. There's a space for attaching any files if you would like to the course. Right, this is an area that is of interest, and I am purposely going to change back this course from the weekly format to the topic format. Notice you have four options here. Two of them are commonly used, either the topic or the weekly. So I am going to change it to the topic format, and the number of sections you can adjust. This will be like your topic headings, how many different topics you have in the course. It's set as 10 there. I'm going to reduce it to 6 sections. How would you like your hidden sections to show? You have some options here, either in collapse form, or if you would like it to be completely invisible, you can select this option. So as you are delivering your course, I think I would have mentioned before, you can have your sections being hidden if you're not ready to release them to your students as yet. So you can upload your resources and activities, but you have it hidden. So when students log in, they will not see it. This option will affect the way the hidden sections are shown. Right now I have it in collapse form, so you will just see a grayed out kind of name or information on it, but you will not be able to access it. The course layout, you can decide if, and on often I would have all of the sections showing on one page, but you can actually have sections per page, so that you can have your course being a set of pages with each page being a section. Appearance, you click on appearance. You can force language. In our case, English is what would normally be used. You do not have to force any different language. Number of news items to show, you can adjust that. Gradebook to students, yes, you will normally want this to show so that students can see their grades. Activity reports, if you would like to generate as well, you can change to yes. The files and upload, you have control over the limit here. I think right now it is set to the maximum. So you can adjust the file size that you would allow your users to upload in this course. Guest access, you can also set guest access so that persons can access your course as guests. Not being officially enrolled, but I think from an institution standpoint, it's best to have your students officially enroll in the course, that you have created accounts in the system for them, and then you can officially enroll them. Otherwise, if you would like to just have your course being offered to some additional guests, you can change this option to yes, and you can decide whether you want to give them a password to log in. Groups, I'd mentioned the groups somewhere before. Sometimes you might have one course that is taught to more than one groups. So here is where you would set your type of groups, whether it's separate groups or visible groups. I normally would use separate groups so that some activities can be kept separately rather than having the groups seeing each other's discussions and things like that. If you force group mode here, then all of your activities and resources will naturally be according to whatever group is set here. You do not have the leeway to decide which activity you want to be full class or separate groups. And you can also have role renaming. If you want to change the default roles in the system to some other names, you can change them. So after you have made all your adjustments, you click Save Changes, and the course now will reload. So you see it's now changed to the topic format, and only 6 topics are here. Now you notice this topic is grayed out, which means it is most likely hidden. So let's just check. If you turn editing on, now you can look at each item, and yes, you see this little eye here. It has the cross, which means it's hidden. So if you just click on it, you will unhide that topic, and now it's available. So notice that each topic you can actually decide to hide. This is where you would hide your topics when you turn editing on. Okay, so that was for this video. I just wanted to introduce you to the course general settings that you can change. Alright then, so see you again soon.